Hello everyone, welcome to Maneuver, second part, important current affairs, top 10 current affairs for the Law CET 3 years, 5 year and B.Ed entrance guys. So here we will again discuss the most important top 10 news for exam point of view, which is highly expected for your exam. Okay, so just watch the video carefully. I will discuss in the details and with the MCQ, and I will highlight the what are the important information for your exams. Okay, before start, one information is there for your preparations. So Maneuver has started the highest workshop, which is especially designed for the Law CET 3 years, 5 year and B.Ed entrance. So guys, you can join. This 10 days program will be highly beneficial for you and your marks in your exam guys. So don't miss this chance. This is the highly beneficial for you, and what you will get in this 10 days workshop, here everything is mentioned. It will start from the 15th September. Logical reasoning and verbal ability, जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा problems होते हैं English section को लेकर के, reasoning section को लेकर के, and especially reasoning section if I will talk about the puzzles, which is a more scoring for you, and difficult section भी होता है. So how you can improve your mark in the puzzles. So everything you will get with the best shortcut method. So don't miss this chance, and you can join. Link is given in the description, so you can visit and join. And for the payment, here is the barcode is given, so directly you can scan and pay, and you will be the join for this course. Okay, so again I will recommend that don't miss this chance. Now come to the current affairs part. So first important news, which is a highly expected from the appointment section, related to the Ujjwala Singhania take over as the 38th national president of FICCI FLO. FLO, it means this is the women wings of FICCI. What is the FICCI? It is a federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce, okay, and industry. Basically, this is the non-governmental group of businessmen, and FLO basically women's empowerment and women's entrepreneurship को increase करने के लिए ये women's wings है. So here you can read the details. Ujjwala Singh has appointed as the national press intent FICC ladies organization FLO, the oldest women lead and women-centric business chamber of Southeast Asia. So you can understand how it's important. And as the 38th national president of FLO Singhania, so appointment section से काफी important है, and some other information related to it. So under her leadership, FLO will carry out the many intervention toward the fostering larger contributions of women in India industrial and economic growth. So जैसा मैंने बताया आपको कि especially women entrepreneurship, women's leadership को increase करने के लिए ये wings है FLO. So some static information, was founded in 1938, and this is the subdivision of Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. When it was founded, so just remember 1927 it was founded. Okay, this is the one more static information, and its headquarter is in New Delhi. Okay, so some static information. This is the first important in from the appointment section. Next one is a Manipur CM launched the MoMA market for vegetables. So basically this information is related to the government scheme and state government scheme, because this is the important in this lockdown period, corona period. Manipur government taken the initiative to start the vegetable distribution from the seller to consumer easily and without any barrier या hindrance से distribute हो सके. So that's why this is a very great initiative, highly expected exams के लिए. So Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh, just remember the name of him, has launched the smartphone application Manipur Organic Mission Agency. And one more important thing, जो full form से relate करके sometime question frame होते हैं. For example, if MoMA is given, okay, and the question will be framed, what is the O stand for? MoMA scheme which is launched by the Manipur. So you should to know what is the O is organic. Okay, इसी से रिलेट करके एक और इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन, ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग में इंडिया का कौन सा स्टेट है जो कि 100% ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग के लिए लिस्टेड किया गया है. 100% ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग के लिए ये आपको क्वेश्चन फ्रेम हो सकता है. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी हाईली एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन. Okay, so 100% organic farming state is a Sikkim. So don't forget, this is also very important. Okay, so Sikkim is a 100%. Sikkim is a 100% organic farming state of India. This is also important for the as a current affairs and geography point of view. Okay, and some details is given here. You can read. MoMA, a unit of the state horticulture and soil conservation department, launched the app under the CM supervision to make the fresh vegetable available for the day-to-day consumption and reduce the distress sale from the farm produce during the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown. So for the distributions में कोई problems now, that's why this state taken this initiative. So important scheme है state government का, just remember. Third one is also very very important news, which is the 93rd academic award, which is also known as the Oscar Award 2021 announced. So from here is a highly expected question from the best actor, best actress, and which one is the best movie. Okay, at least these three names you should to remember. So some details about the 93rd academic award. So 93rd academic award is the ceremony also known as the Oscar Award. रिमेंबर रखो, इन दोनों से क्वेश्चंस फ्रेम हो सकता है. समटाइम ऑस्कर अवार्ड इज आल्सो नोन एज अ विच अवार्ड, ऐसे 4 ऑप्शंस होंगे, तो आपको अवेयरनेस होना चाहिए. इट इज आल्सो नोन एज अ एकेडमिक अवार्ड. ओके, सो अप्रैल 25 2021 को ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ, अनाउंस हुआ. द अवार्ड इज प्रेजेंटेड एनुअली बाय द एकेडमिक ऑफ मोशन पिक्चर आर्ट्स. ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है, द नेम इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड 2021 ऑस्कर हॉनर्ड द बेस्ट फिल्म 2020 एंड अर्ली 2021. सो हियर इज द सम डिटेल्स व्हिच आई गिवन हियर. बेस्ट पिक्चर्स, सो नोमैडलैंड, एंड एक्टर्स इन द लीडिंग रोल एंथनी हॉपकिंस द फादर्स के लिए, ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड एक्ट्रेस इन लीडिंग रोल फ्रांसिस मैकडोरमैट फॉर द नोमैडलैंड. ओके, सो दीज 3 इंफॉर्मेशंस एट लीस्ट रिमेंबर. यहां से क्वेश्चंस आ सकते 93rd ऑस्कर अवार्ड से रिलेट करके. फोर्थ इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज है, WHO हॉनर द डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन फॉर द एफर्ट ऑफ टोबैको कंट्रोल. आपको पता होगा टोबैको कंट्रोल के लिए दिल्ली स्टेट में काफी इनिशिएटिव लिया गया था. सो वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैज अवार्डेड द यूनियन हेल्थ मिनिस्टर हर्षवर्धन विद WHO Director General Special Recognition Award for the accomplishment of the area of the tobacco control. Most important, इसको मार्क कर लो. This is the most important, highly expected है, name of the person या फिर WHO से रिलेट करके क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. So every year WHO recognize the individual organization in each of the 6 WHO region for their accomplishment in the area of the tobacco control. So ये WHO each year देता है. So Dr. Harshvardhan receive it. And some other information related to it. This recognition take the form of the WHO Director General Special Recognition Award and World No Tobacco Day. Okay, so what is the theme for the No Tobacco Day this year? So the theme for the No Tobacco Day is a quit tobacco to be winner. Okay, so this is the theme for this year. Important है current affairs point of view से. And which day observed as a international no tobacco day is also very important. International awareness about the tobacco. So you have to comment it. आपको comment में इसका आंसर करना है because this is also important from the important day section. Okay, so you have to comment which day observed as a international no tobacco day. And in the leadership of the Dr. Harshvardhan, the decision was taken to ban the e-cigarette and heat tobacco products. So that's why he received this award. So एक important initiative था, but it's related to the WHO and important personality from India. So exam point of view के लिए काफी important है. Now fifth one is the Asian Game gold medalist athlete Hema Das appointed as a DSP in Assam. So he's a important sport personality. Remember, and last year अगर आपने देखा होगा 2019 में she won the gold medal continue in a different sports event. So that's why she's a very famous. So इनको एक nickname भी बोलते हैं धिंग एक्सप्रेस. ओके, ये नेम भी मिला था धिंग एक्सप्रेस. So she is a very famous and Assam government appointed her as a DSP. So also related to sport personality. एक important news है. So related to the Hema Das, here the some details is given and जो लास्ट ईयर 2019 का इनका अचीवमेंट है, मैंने सारे डिटेल्स दे दिए हैं. आप अपने जनरल अवेयरनेस स्टैंडिंग के लिए भी रीड कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज द ग्रेट अचीवमेंट बाय हर. ओके, सो रिलेटेड टू द हेमा दास, सी बिलोंग टू द आसाम स्टेट. सी इज नोन एज अ धिंग एक्सप्रेस, ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड हर अचीवमेंट इज ऑल्सो गिवन, सो यू कैन जस्ट रीड. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज इज द तमिलनाडु अर्जुन कल्याण बिकम द 68 इंडियन ग्रैंड मास्टर. देखो लास्ट ईयर एक क्वेश्चन आया था रिलेटेड टू द विच डे ऑब्जर्व एज अ इंटरनेशनल चेस डे इन अ लॉ एंट्रेंस. ओके, सो जो ग्रैंड मास्टर है ना, इनसे रिलेट करके भी क्वेश्चन आता जो रिसेंट के होते. सो अभी ही इज इन अ न्यूज. सो ही इज क्रॉस द इनका जो एक ELO मार्किंग सिस्टम होता है. कभी इन फ्यूचर में इसको भी इन डिटेल्स एक्सप्लेन करूंगा व्हाट इज द ELO मार्किंग सिस्टम ऑफ द चेस ग्रैंड मास्टर, जो कि इस मार्किंग 2500 को क्रॉस करते हैं. सो दे इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द ग्रैंड मास्टर लिस्ट. ओके, सो यहाँ पे एक और इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज है. Who is in man category grandmaster on a top position? So I hope everybody know he is a Viswanath Anand. Okay, in a women category आपको कमेंट में आंसर देना who is on a top in a women's category in a grandmaster list from India. Okay, so एक small सा न्यूज है related to the chess. एंड लास्ट ईयर जो क्वेश्चन आया था रिलेटेड टू द चेस, विच डे ऑब्जर्व एज अ इंटरनेशनल चेस डे. सो रिमेंबर 20 जुलाई इंपॉर्टेंट डे से यही क्वेश्चन आया था. ओके, सो बेसिकली दीज ऑल आर द इंफॉर्मेशन. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. as of living index, very important data which is released here. So as of living index, which city is on a top? So here you can see Bengaluru is the best among the city. Okay, so यहाँ से जो डेटा से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं आ सकता है. So government as of living index 2020 was released by housing and urban affairs minister Hardeep Singh Puri. So just remember the name of the minister is also important. The ranking were announced for the city with the population of more than a million and city with the less than a million. So जो less than 1 million है उसकी कैटेगरी में and जो more than 1 million है उसकी कैटेगरी में. I will show you the both one. Okay, so here you can see in the list जो population million plus है उसमें top position है बेंगलुरु का and it's followed by the Pune and Ahmedabad, and population of the less than 1 million city में top position is a Simla. Okay, and followed by the Bhubaneswar and Silvassa. And which one is on a lowest position? Here you can see Bareilly, Dhanbad and Srinagar. These all are the city on the less position. So आपको क्या करना है, top positions पे याद करना which one is the top in the million plus and less than million plus में. So Bengaluru and Simla is important and Bareilly is important which is on the lowest position. Okay, so ये एक information है as of doing जो कि Housing and Urban Ministry ने इसको launch किया है. Okay, so next one is related to the books and author which is very important. So Elephant in the Womb, it's a debut book of the Kalki Koechlin. So she is the author. So just remember, so debut book है, that's why it is the two important and highly expected exams के लिए. So Bollywood actress Kalki Koechlin is marking her debut and author with her first book Elephant in the Womb, and the book which is at release in the illustrated and non-fiction book Motherhood, and it is published by the Penguin Random House India. So this is also important, and the book is narrated about the pregnancy and parenting, mother, excellent mother, and anyone even thinking about the motherhood. Basically books and writers point of view say this book is a very important. So just remember name of the book and who is the author. Okay, next one is the Tata Digital by the 64.3% stack acquisition in the Big Basket. So everybody know about the Big Basket, so it's especially for the retail, for the grocery. So Tata Digital TDL is acquired the 64.3% of the total share of the capital of the Supermarket Grocery Supplier Private Limited, and its sole control over the innovative retail concept. So private limited company that is run online grocery delivery platform Big Basket. So basically just remember this heading is a very important. यहाँ से एक question जो form हो सकता है related to the percentage, because merger and acquisitions ये जो वाला questions होते हैं ना यहाँ से highly possible है. Okay, so just remember. And the last one is Wipro become the third Indian IT firm to scale the 3 trillion market capitalism. So also very important news from the business oriented GK. So Wipro has touched the 3 trillion market capitalism for the first time, becoming the third Indian IT firm to achieve the milestone after Tata Consultancy Service and Infosys. So the company owned its largest deal ever from the German retailer Metro and has seen deal win 7.1 billion. So after this deal, now Wipro is a third Indian IT company to reach this market capitalism. And here is one more details. India has total 13 listed firms that have crossed the 3 trillion market capitalism. Wipro now the 14th rank. So Reliance is on a top position. Reliance Industries is the most valued company with the market capitalism of the 14.5 trillion, followed by the Tata Consultancy Service Limited and HDFC Bank. So here you can see the data, and these all are the top 3 company which market capitalism is given. Okay, so these all are the important 10 news which is highly expected for exam. So when you will watch the video, so just pause it, read the complete details and make your own note, and what are the important thing is possible, just note down static point of view, current affairs point of view. So if in this way you will prepare, so definitely you will be get a good score in this section. Now come to the MCQ part, in which way the question may be possible to frame. For example, founder of the FICCI is, okay, so Arjun Malhotra, Ghanshyam Das Birla, Ajay Bagga, Indra Nui. So एक क्वेश्चन यहाँ से स्टैटिक ओरिएंटेड आ सकता है FICCI से. सो घनश्याम दास बिरला. ओके, मणिपुर चीफ मिनिस्टर, हु इज द मणिपुर चीफ मिनिस्टर, आपने देखा जो मोमा प्रोग्राम था, स्कीम था. सो एन बीरेन सिंह. टाटा डिजिटल बाई हाउ मच परसेंट स्टैक एक्विजिशन ऑफ बिग बास्केट. इस टाइप से क्वेश्चन फ्रेम हो सकता है यहाँ से. सो 64.3%, दिस इज द राइट. एंड फर्स्ट ग्रैंड मास्टर ऑफ इंडिया. So basically it's related to the Viswanath Anand. He is the first Grand Master of India. Okay, and he also received the Padma Vibhushan. Okay, WHO Director General. What is the name of the WHO Director? So Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus is the WHO Director. So important है as a इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. ओके, फर्स्ट इंडियन फॉर्म टू क्रॉस द ट्रिलियन मार्केट कैपिटलिज्म, सो रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री लिमिटेड. आपने न्यूज देखा विप्रो से रिलेट करके था, बट क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू द रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री. सो इसी तरह से इंटरकनेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस फ्रेम होते हैं. हेमा दास इज एसोसिएटेड विथ विच स्पोर्ट, सो बैडमिंटन, ट्रैक एंड फील्ड, हाई जंप, रेसलिंग. सो एवरीबडी नो ट्रैक एंड फील्ड से रिलेटेड है. शी इज अ गुड रनर. विच सिटी टॉप द लिस्ट ऑफ सिटी विद द लेस देन अ मिलियन पीपल एज ऑफ लिविंग इंडेक्स में. विच सिटी इज अ लेस देन मिलियन लिस्ट में ऑन अ टॉप पोजिशन? सो शिमला. And Oscar award is also known as a what? So academic award. I hope everybody know. Okay, so these all are the important news. In the next video, I also cover the top important 10 news which will be the important for your exams, and also discuss the some additional information. Okay, and if you are planning for the law entrance 3 years and 5 year and B.Ed entrance for the 2020-23, so you can inquire about the live classes, classroom book, mock test, and everything which is given here. So you can call on this number for the online and live class, and you can also visit on our website www.minervaedu.com, and you can follow us on our Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and don't forget to subscribe this channel because you will get the continue update regarding the current affairs, guys, and whatever the exams update, everything you will get. So don't forget to subscribe to get the continue updates. Okay, so see you in the next video with the top important news for your exams. Thank you.